Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Locket Widget app step by step, from creating your account to setting up your widget and sharing photos with friends. Before we start, make sure to check out the special offers linked below this video. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Locket Widget app on your phone and tap Create an Account. Enter your email address, set a secure password with at least 8 characters, and then provide your first name, last name, and a unique username. Once done, tap Continue. Now, the app will ask you to invite friends. You can send invites via Messenger, Instagram, or Messages, but if you want to skip this, just tap All and then tap on any empty space on the pop-up. This will trick the app into thinking you've interacted, and you'll be able to tap Continue without sending invitations. Next, you'll be prompted to add the Locket widget to your home screen. Tap Add Widget and it will automatically appear in the last section of your widget list. Once added, tap Finish. After that, the app may ask for notification permissions and camera access. If you want to use all features, enable them both. To allow camera access manually, press and hold the app icon, tap the info icon, go to App Permissions, choose Camera, and select Allow Only while using the app. Now, you'll be able to take and send photos directly through the widget. To add friends, tap your profile icon in the top left corner, then tap the Share button. You can invite friends via messaging apps, email, or any platform you prefer. Once they accept your request, you can start sending and receiving live photos instantly. If you want to customize your account, go to Settings. From there, you can DNC, change your email address, adjust your account visibility, manage friend requests, share your Locket username, and even delete or sign out of your account if needed. Finally, Locket Widget also has a built-in tutorial for extra guidance. Just go to Profile, Widget Tutorial if you want to explore more tips. And that's it. That's how you set up and use the Locket Widget app to share live photos with friends and customize your experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other guides for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.